Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our second chapter from civics, that is understanding diversity and discrimination. Students, as you see in your classroom, there are so many different students, and these students have their own choices, interests, habits. Like some like to play football, some like to play cricket, badminton, or any other game. These are the differences between different students. So students, these differences where people different from one another is termed as the diversity. The differences between the people according to their choices, interests, habits is termed as diversity. As you all know, every individual is unique and different from each other, as they wear different clothes, speak different languages, belonging to different cultural background, religion and region. These differences is termed as the diversity. And you all know we live in a diverse society because there are so many people in our society with differences, like they belong to different religion, different caste, speak different language, wear different types of clothes, but still live together. In this video, I'm going to share with you a story of two boys who met each other in playground and talking to each other regularly while playing. One is Karan and one is Aman. Karan goes to school, belongs to rich family. He is Hindu, knows English and Hindi well. Aman doesn't go to school, belongs to poor family. He is Muslim, knows Hindi and Urdu. But still both are the good friends. So these differences between Aman and Karan are the aspect of diversity. This shows the diversity between the people in the society. But diversity sometimes refers to the inequality. Inequality means not equal. In this example, Karan and Aman, these individuals, they are not equal because Karan belongs to rich family, Aman belongs to poor family. Karan have all the facilities, he goes to school and other facilities, have everything. Aman doesn't have so much facilities, he doesn't go to school. So these differences between Karan and Aman refers to inequality because somehow they are not equal to each other. Students, inequality when people doesn't have equal opportunities like other. So inequality means when both the people or the people doesn't have the equal opportunities like the other people. It refers to the inequality. For example, caste system. Earlier in India, our society was divided into different groups on the basis of caste. Like some people belong to lower caste, upper class, caste, middle class, caste, and so many. And this caste system creates the untouchability, means chua chooth. It creates inequality between upper and lower caste people. It means that lower caste people are not allowed to visit the areas of upper caste people, and upper caste people considered lower caste people as impure, and so on. So sometimes diversity creates inequality in the society. So it is up to us that how should we maintain the unity in the diverse society. Thank you.